Well, hi guys, how's it going? I know I don't look the best, hair's hanging and whatnot, but a little update here. One, I found my really cool, it's a plate, okay, a little story about these. This is B for bus, number 26. Out of 636 in the line, 1970-71, out of St. Cloud. This is what they used to put on the mobile homes. However, 1970-71, with 3 sixes in it, and a bus, is really kind of cool because it's the same year as the Combi. And then you got the caution, occasional flying tools in this area. That's what happens after today. Now, today, we put the back seat in. We did all the woodwork underneath. So when you pull the seat out, I don't know if I can do it sitting here off to the side. There we go. It's not a Z bed. It's like a Brazilian model. I don't know. But the cushions are not stock. Cushions would be about 6 inches thick. Original for the Volkswagen would be roughly 3 inches thick, as far as I remember. I don't know for sure. These are memory foam. So this is all memory foam with exterior material. It's mold proof, waterproof, sunproof, you name it. Guaranteed to last 20 years, no problems. The whole bed's in. It's all mounted up. You can come in here if you really wanted to. Oh, I wish this thing was a high top. I really wish it was a high top. But there we go. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is so cool. I could sleep in my Volkswagen if I want to tonight. 680 memory foam. The best that money can buy for NASA is 700. This is 680 that I have in here. It took me all day to get these two pieces mounted in with the woodwork. All day. I started about 9 o'clock this morning. It is now after 7 o'clock p.m. So I finally got it done, and with the assistance of my girlfriend, before she fell over the fire pit and had to go take a shower, help me out. So I could get this stuff mounted down, because unless you got somebody sitting on these, and there is a gap between them, and that's fine. But unless you got somebody sitting on this, you just can't hold it into place. But anyway, it's all in. Now I just got to get the side walls and cabinets done. But the bed is done. The seat is done. And what's nice is it falls right into place like it's supposed to. Now I can get my sidewalls done. All of that right there is for the ceiling. So I gotta get that up and in. Not too bad. Bus parking only. Yeah. Alright, well, Thanks for checking in. Hope I see you guys soon. Ta-la.